Hey guys! Welcome back to Alicia TV. For today, I'm going to review a very famous product. This is endorsed by Kris Aquino, the one and only, the Queen, my peg. Ang dami nagsasabi para daw akong mini or little Kris Aquino. Love, love, love! So, ayun. Na-curious talaga ako dito kasi nga sobrang ganda daw. Life-changing. Tapos, ginagamit talaga siya ni Kris Aquino. Madami nagsasabi na marami na daw fake nito. So, yeah. I checked online. So, nakakita ako sa beautymnl.com. So, here it is! So, this is Whipp Soap Snail White. So, yeah. Eto. Babasahin ko lang to. It's claim to fame. A moisturizing bar soap that deeply cleanses and nourishes skin. Fast facts. Comes with a delicate net to create a soft, luxurious facial foam. Contains bearberry leaf extract that visibly brightens the skin. Blended with blackcurrant seed oil, sunflower oil, concentrate, and balloon vine extract to soothe sensitive areas. Has hyaluronsan, HALQH, to hydrate and refresh. So yeah, as you all know, I have very dry skin. So kung nakaka-hydrate siya, of course, magugustuhan ko to. So, I want to see. This is my first time ever to use this. So, first impression talaga siya. And medyo mini review na rin. I got this, by the way, for 345 pesos. So, when I checked beautymnl.com ngayon, sold out na siya. So, oh my God, thank you, Lord. Buti na lang nakabili ako bago siya ma-sold out. Actually, it came with a freebie. So, meron Nestle na milk. So yeah, sorry naman. Alam ko, haggard ako ngayon. I came from a long day at work. Kaya, ayan, nag-fade out na yung makeup ko. Wala ng lipstick, haggard hair, outfit. So yeah, I'm so sorry. So I'm going to open this up. And let's see. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Yan. So, Whipp soap. Bar soap with delicate net to form a soft and sensual whip foam. So, mga nakikita ko online, parang nga siyang foam. Ah, sana maganda siya for dry skin. So, by the way, this is from Thailand. So, ang sabi, nakita daw to sa CR ni Kris Aquino. Tapos, eventually, kinuha na rin siyang endorser ng brand. So, since regular user talaga siya at nang-hoard nito. Okay. Oh. Oh my God. Ang bango niya. Ang bango niya. Parang may kaamoy siya. Amoy pabango siya. Ganong level. So, this is what it looks like. Sorry, it's so bright. Yan. Okay, so meron akong bowl dito para lang mapakita ko sa inyo. And then, ayan, may haggard face. And then, let's start! By the way, do you guys like my new backdrop? So, medyo grayish na tayo. So, yeah! Do you like it? Let me know. So, babasahin ko lang yung face ko. Para, alam mo yan, like actual naghihilamos. So, this is the Bangkok with water and then ito. So, yan. Binasa ko na siya. And then, let's see. Okay, so, i-rub ko siya. Okay. Oh my God. Nagkakalat ako dito. But, let's go for the vlog. Ah! Okay. This is cool. But may nag-a-alarm dyan. So, foamy talaga siya. And then, mamassage ko lang siya into skin. So, gagantahin ko ba siya? Ganyan? Or ganito? Okay, so lahat ng lalagay sa face, dapat sa neck din. So, habol dapat dito. Akala ko super foamy niya. Hindi naman pala. Super. I mean, saktong foam lang. Okay, so I'm done. Ang gagawin ko na lang is I'm going to rinse this off and then I'll be back and then I'll let you know what I think, okay? This is it. Iniisip ko lang. I'm gathering my thoughts. Hindi ko alam kung anong mafe-feel ko about this. Kasi parang, okay. Sobrang dami niyang great reviews and all that. I don't wanna be a hater. Favorite ko si Kris favorite ko si Kris Aquino and all. Pero, actually, na-brighten niya yung skin ko. As in, mas fresh ako ngayon compared kanina. Kasi nga, haggard na ako. Pero, parang, nung winawash ko siya, it's okay. It's soft. Na-soften niya yung skin ko. But, hindi nga siya smooth eh. Na-soften lang niya. And then, parang may sticky vibe siya. So, parang, I feel like, hindi siya moisturizing. Iba yung feeling na moisturize yung face ko eh. Wala akong na-feel na something special. As in, parang, okay. And, to think na ang pricey niya for a soap, well, of course, kasi nga, sumikat na siya and all. But yeah, I think like, there's nothing like special about it. Ang cool lang, what I like about it is, ayun nga, cool siya, na nag-foam siya, tas may net effect pa, something new, something different, and then, the smell, sobrang bango ng smell niya. As in, parang siyang pabango na flower, na parang hindi mo na kailangan magpabango, ganong level. So, yeah, parang for me, hindi naman ako instant pumuti or something, but yeah, for me, generally, iniisip ko talaga, parang, it's just a regular soap na babango. So yeah, I will use this for 1 week straight. And I'll update you guys. Ilalagay ko sa description box kung ano yung pinaka-final thought ko. Kung na-dry ba niya yung skin ko, kung na-moisturize niya ba, kung pumuti ako and stuff. Kasi ngayon, hindi ko talaga masabi yung effect niya. Kasi diba, one-time use lang. It's my first time. Pero, as a first impression, it's nothing new. As in, saktong soap lang siya na mahal. Na kakaiba na mabango. Yun na yun. So, yeah! Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below what you think. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye!